Honda CRV first generation fuel filter replacement. In details, easy, all specs you need. Let's get started. Fuel filter is located under the hood on the passenger side by the firewall. So easy to get. Okay, let's turn ignition off, pull the key out, put in your pocket, and I'm going to use CRV shop repair manual. Lots of helpful information, all specs we need. Okay, let's disconnect the negative battery cable just in case. Okay, let's put a rag underneath because some fuel will come out. And this video is just a demonstration. 17 mil to remove banjo bolt. Pretty easy. I like this design. Very simple, very reliable, never leaks. I wish every vehicle will have the fuel filter design like Honda CRV first generation. Okay, banjo bolt is out, and as you can see there is two copper washers. Let's remove them. We're going to use the new ones. They came with the filter. 14 mil wrench to crack the bottom fuel line fitting loose. If it's too tight, you can use 19 mil wrench to hold the filter to prevent it from spinning. It depends how rusted that fitting. Okay, fitting is loose and removed. 10 mil deep socket to remove fuel filter bracket. Bolt is out, and now we can undo that bracket and pull our old fuel filter out. And how often do you replace the filter? Every 15-20,000 kilometers. Filters are cheap and keep your fuel system running clean. Okay, here's all specs we need, where the washers go, and all torque specs as well. Put in pause, take a look, and everything you need to know is on that picture. Okay, new filter came from the store. Nice, and we have a new washers as well. We're going to use them. Okay, let's compare our new filter we have to that we just removed. They're identical. Okay, let's just clean that bottom fitting, make sure everything's clean. Alright, it's easy to install the filter and connect it when filter is not in the bracket. I like to start the bottom fitting by hand like that. Make sure you won't get cross threaded. As soon as you have a couple threads on, that's easiest part left. Okay, let's place the filter in a bracket. As you can see, there is a certain groove, and that tip will fit in a slot, and you cannot put it any other way that it was designed. Very nice design. I love it. Okay, bracket is tight. Now we're going to hold the filter with a 19 mil wrench and tie that bottom line. Yeah, make sure it's snagged, it's tight, and it won't leak. Okay, that's enough. Alright, now we're using a new washers which we have came with a filter. Okay, two washers, banjo bolt. I like the banjo type fittings, they're great, and they used lots before, but you don't see them very often nowadays. Okay, two new washers to seal the banjo fitting with the bolt. Make sure it won't leak. Place that line in a bracket groove, and let's tie that connection to squeeze those two washers. Here we go, nice and tight, good enough. Alright, everything's assembled as it was before, all tight. And now I'm going to pull that rag out, spill pad. Time to reconnect our negative battery cable. Prime the fuel, turn the key to the on position, listen for the fuel prime, turn it back, turn it on again, listen for the fuel prime, and just prime the fuel and filled up that empty filter. Okay, let's crank it, engine over, here we go, engine is running, idling smooth, and now time to go and check for any possible leaks from the fittings. Guys, thank you so much for your time watching this video, very appreciated. And if you have any comments, questions, critics, suggestions, put them down in the comment section below. Keep your old reliable Honda CRV on the road. This vehicle won't ever let you down. Take care, see you soon, bye bye.